How to use Canva Pro on PC. First of all, open Canva and make sure you are logged in with your Canva Pro account. If you don't have a Pro account yet, you can upgrade by clicking on the upgrade button at the top right corner and following the prompts. Once you are in Canva Pro, you can create a new design by clicking Create a Design button and choosing a format like presentation, poster, social media post or videos. Canva Pro unlocks advanced features such as premium template, background remover, premium images, videos, and AI tools. Explore the left-hand panel where you will find photos, elements, text, audio, videos, backgrounds, and apps. With Canva Pro, you have access to an extensive library of premium stock media, animation, and design assets. You can also upload your own images, videos, and fonts to personalize your project. Use Magic Resize to quickly adjust your design for different platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube. The Brand Kit features allows you to save your brand colors, logos, and fonts for consistent design across all projects. Canva Pro also provides advanced export options. You can download your designs as PNG, JPG, PDF, MP4, or GIF, and even schedule content directly to social media platform. Take advantage of features like animation effect, premium chart, and collaboration tools for team project. Canva Pro makes designing faster, easier, and more professional. Now you know how to use Canva Pro effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.